Instagram released a new search update on November 17th, 2020 that is now available in 6 different countries, including Canada, the United States, the UK, New Zealand, Ireland, and also Australia. If you've been using Instagram to promote your business, product, or service, then you know that there has been some limitation with the search functionality. Searching on Instagram typically means that you are searching usernames, hashtags, or locations, which is why it is so important to make sure that your hashtag game is on point. In this video, I'm not only going to discuss this new function, but I'm also going to give you an idea of how you may want to pivot your Instagram strategy to prepare for the keyword search in 2021. Hi y'all, I'm Vivian Walton, the Seasoned Marketer, and I share marketing tips, tools, and tactics with resourceful business owners. A friendly reminder to you that every week I release a new marketing video, so if you're into that, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow my Facebook page. Keyword search, it's the newest feature that Instagram has released on its platform, and it's going to make it easier to connect users on that platform to the content they are wanting to see even better than before. Now, typically when you would go into Instagram to search for something, you would either have to do a hashtag or you only had the capability of searching usernames or locations. Now, what Instagram has done is they are opening it up to generic keywords. So think of it very similar to what Google does. You go in and you search for a keyword or a term, and it will filter through the content to find the best match for what you are looking for. Now, there are a few stipulations that you have to know about since this is a new feature, and keep in mind that this will change and evolve as time progresses because the algorithm will get better at what it does, and also on top of that, Instagram will probably go in and strengthen the function of this particular feature. Stipulation number 1, the keyword search feature only currently applies to your feed posting and IGTV. Stipulation number 2, this new keyword feature won't be available for all topics. Now, I don't have much more specifics to give you besides that because Instagram has only told us that it is limited to general interest topics and keywords that are within Instagram's community guidelines. But if I had to guess, as the algorithm or the function improves over time, you'll probably start to see a lot more of these niche keywords pop up. So do not be discouraged if for whatever reason your industry or perhaps your niche market isn't included in this first batch of keyword search functions. I would just hold tight and wait and check every so often because I'm sure as the algorithm expands and just gets better at what it does, it will start to include some of these other terms in there. Not unlike Google searches, Instagram has told us that there are a number of factors that go into deciding what content appears for these search queries. And among those, some of the factors are the type of content it is, the captions, when it was posted, and more. Remember that Instagram's purpose is to try to get people to stay on their platform, which means that the best way they can do that is by putting content in front of their users that they are looking for, and good content. So they are incentivized to make sure that these search queries are actually matching good content with what the user is wanting. So over time, they're going to make sure that this query and search engine really works well to provide and match the two. Now, the reason I say that is because come 2021, we are going to want to start changing our Instagram strategy to include ranking in these keyword searches. And so what that means is over time, depending on how this algorithm shapes out, we may find that hashtags become less important and the actual verbiage that we're using in our captions becomes more important. And the reason that's going to change the way our strategy works or what we do in planning our Instagram post is that right now some people are spending a whole lot of time researching their hashtags, and perhaps they're writing much shorter captions that really don't include a lot of keywords in there that are relevant to what they're posting. So we're probably going to want to steer more in the way of what you do on YouTube, which is make sure that some of your descriptions are including the keyword, because that means that you rank in some of these YouTube searches a little better. We're going to want to account for all of it. Now, that's not to say that come 2021 or even, December 2020, that Instagram's going to switch automatically to doing that, to prioritizing, the captions as opposed to hashtags. But it does mean that we may start to see that shift, the gradual shift over time, and that is something that we are going to want to keep an eye on, so that potentially we can change our Instagram strategy in 2021. So keep that in mind as we move forward and take a look. And actually, I encourage you right now to go ahead and just start experimenting. Take a look and see, are hashtags gaining you as much viewership as you're used to? Or do you find that you do better if you write strong captions? So play around with it and drop me a comment and let me know if you see any type of pattern or anything that works best for you. If you like this video, remember that every Monday I release a new video just like this one with information that could help you save time and money when it comes to marketing your business. Don't forget to check out my website at www.theseasonedmarketer.com, where I have all of my previous videos uploaded and also a couple of freebies for you that you can download today. So go check that out. Thanks again for tuning in to another Monday Marketing Minute. I'll catch you guys next week, same time and place.